And this next guy just got back from a little run on doing some comedy through Texas. Hector G, everybody.
That's me up there, that's funny. Somebody looking over my shoulder, like, I don't trust this guy. My name is Hector G. Can't tell, but I'm Mexican. From the Middle East Valley. Everybody else confuses me for being like Arabian, even my own family, they're like, damn, are you sure you are, son? The Middle East Mesa, anybody ever been? Good hot dogs over there. Now I'm Hector G. The G does not stand for jihadi. Once again. If I bomb on stage, it's not my fault. No, I do have I'm a hairy guy, so I gotta, don't worry, this vest is just hair. You know? When I was younger, I was like in kindergarten. I got sent home for having lice, and they're like, "You can't come back till you shave your chest and your back." Have your mom help you out with that. Get extra credit. It's been tough, man, being a hairy guy. Go to the swimming pools. I won the ugly sweater contest in July. I was like, "This is not Christmas. What are you talking about?" Take your shirt off before you get in the pool. I'm like, I do have my shirt off. It's a year-round sweater. I was husky when I was little, like not fat, I was like Teen Wolf. Very hairy guy, man. A lot of cloud drains. He said I'm from Texas. So, you know what that means? I'm pro-Bush, the pelvic area. My girlfriend too, man. It's weird. Like, the other day I got really drunk and I went down on her and like, I thought I was making out with my bearded best friend. Nothing wrong with that. It's 2020, right? Like, why are you kissing me so good? I didn't know you could kiss like that. People were asking me, where's your girlfriend? How come she's not here? I'm like, you think I'm gonna pay $35 for her to stay? She's in the car, of course. Keep it warm for me. I actually just became a homeowner. I'm pretty excited. Thank you. This is not really a home, it's a mobile home. I don't got any equity, but I got an MPG. How much MPG does your house have? None. The house is going places. Matter of fact, the other day, I was at Costco in the parking lot, got a discount DUI. I was buckled up in my own couch, the back seat and everything, and they're like, no, it's not your house. DUIs are expensive, man. I gotta pay out these tickets. I convinced Uber to let me drive for them with my RV. I'm gonna be the first bed and breakfast Uber BnB. 5 stars, please. I'll pull up, I'll tell all my family, gotta hide, we got some customers. Seatbelts on the table, seatbelts on the couch. My bed has a sex swing, you have to buckle up into that. Pinocchio style. I'll tap the brakes for you. It's your anniversary. I have a Class A CDL, I can handle the turbulence. The stage ends right here, other comments. Class A CDL, I got multiple Class B misdemeanors. I'm not gonna say anything, right? I won't spill your beans if you don't spill mine. Like literally, I probably have a crock pot of beans. Beware! Now if anybody needs a ride home, Uber BnB, meet the Millers, pulls up, right? Living in an RV is cool, man. I just moved into a gated community. It's a trailer park. Gotta put in a code. It's very advanced, man. They got a trailer where I do my dental work. Got a trailer where I get my haircuts. If the wind's blowing, your haircut's gonna be a little crooked. Sometimes the dental work is free because of that. It's weird, like the only thing getting into this trailer park, it's like a 55 and up thing to be in an RV, which is weird. Like being old and living in a RV, like it's a death trap if you're older. If you can't, like I have to use the restroom like with my knees to my chest. I don't understand how someone 55 and up is going to be doing that. Like it's hard. Like I'm in the water, you know. It's hard to tell when to get out of. I know when to tell when to get out of the bathtub when my fingers are wrinkly. How do I know when to get off the toilet? Like I'm already wrinkly down there. I didn't want to say balls. I brought in people from my work crew right here. We work at a chip factory. Not Takis, I don't work for Tostitos. We work at a computer chip factory and we make computer chips that we sell to Tostitos and they put in their machines and then they make the chips, alright? So in a way I make alright, I make tortillas. Now we work in it's called Ball Attach, our group is called Ball Attach. Yeah, Ball Attach. Well, I work with a guy, we have to do pass down every day to like the night and day crew. So like the day crew comes and it's like some older ladies and like the guy that I work with is an older guy and he's embarrassed to tell them that we need more because they're called solder balls. So he said he doesn't want to say balls to these ladies like, you're low on spheres, you might want to fill that up. The lady looked at him like, Michael, why are you saying spheres? Just say balls. I prefer you to say balls. I'm like, yeah, just... They're not spheres, all right? I was noticing I get my check. My check was getting garnished lately. I opened up my last paycheck, piece of cilantro was staying. I hate it, but still. Been trying that intermittent fasting. Anybody ever do that? We only eat certain days. My favorite day to eat is payday. You makes it worth it, man. Feels like you get something done. I grew up in a split home. Me and my mom were both in a 12-step dad program. We're not alcoholics, we just had a lot of the 12-step dads at Christmas. One of my most memorable stepdads since I was young, I don't remember this guy's name, like he had one leg, and I always thought that's why we called him stepdad. He'd come in the house hopping and stuff, like, what's up, we gonna break dance? Get all mad at him, you can't even teach me how to two-step. Promise next week. Going with my cousin. Most awkward prom picture ever. We're like, could you guys get a little closer? We're like, nah, it's alright. I came up like a small, I'm from West Texas, man. We had like small classes. We had combined teachers, like we had the same teacher for 2 different subjects. My driver's ed teacher was also my Spanish teacher, so I just learned how to drive without insurance. All my other friends, they took driver's ed with a keyboarding teacher. They all learned how to text and drive, so they're no longer with us. Poor guys. Poor guys. Guys. Growing up, my grandpa used to always think that I was going to be gay because I like wrestling way too much. Like posters of naked men all over my room. He's like, you're 30 years old, when are you going to move out of my house? Or at least get a poster of some women, right? So I got a poster of that one wrestler, I don't know if you remember China, she was like really, really buff. That's not what I meant, but I guess it'll do. She's cool. One time I was wrestling with my little brother, I don't know if y'all know, the Undertaker was my favorite wrestler. He was his finisher was a little weird though, it's pretty much a 69, you don't know what wrestling is. And he drops you on your head, so I was like with my little brother on the trampoline, I'm like, wrestling is awesome, right? The grandpa comes over, we're jumping around the trampoline like, yeah! My grandpa walks in the backyard, what's going on back here? We're wrestling, grandpa, this is awesome, right? He's like, no, the neighbors are all watching, finish him! That's how we lost my little brother, man, rest in peace. I have a second TV.